Hold on, I just want to do this. That is so satisfying, guys. What's up, guys? I'm here to check out the Galaxy Fold, Samsung's first foldable phone. I think the first foldable phone in the US. I've seen some photos, seen a demo unit, but haven't touched it. This is actually the first time I'm actually touching this device. This is it opened up, and this is it folded up. It's funky, I gotta say. It's kind of ultra skinny here like this, so you can see the interface over here. It kind of feels like a TV remote. It's a little bit thick, and you can definitely see a little bit of a gap here. But first impressions so far, I mean, I've only held it for a couple of seconds. You know, it feels a lot more premium than I was expecting. Let's try to do a quick pocket test here. It's a little, not terrible, to be honest. Kind of reminds me of a bit like kind of the old Nokia phones. It's not about the same thickness. Here's my iPhone. Here's your standard kind of phone. Just kind of get a little comparison here. And maybe like a fold like that. You can see kind of thickness here. It's an experience, I think. I've read a bunch of different reactions about it, and I'm just like, it's really nice. Take it from a guy who's extremely skeptical of foldable devices. Some people have said that they were able to feel the fold. I don't really feel it. I mean, it's very slight. So I was pretty harsh about the crease. You know, I thought it would bother me a lot more, but yeah, I'm kind of speechless right now. Let me try this app continuity real quick. So if I open up, let's say like Google Maps, right? So here is what you would see on a typical smartphone. If I open this, whoa, did you see that? That was fast, very fast. Surprisingly more polished than I thought, and the hinge is actually really, really pretty. You don't really see any of the parts, so I think they masked it really well, and that kind of creates this illusion that it's more polished than maybe it might be. There's 3 cameras on the back. That's a wide, ultra wide, and a telephoto. Same as the Galaxy S10. There's a camera on the front over here. That's for selfies. And then there are also 2 cameras on the front inside of this little notch over here on the right. Check out this camera. And it looks kind of just like the S10. You get a little cropped in and a little cropped out. And, oh, I want to check out the camera with the bigger screen. Whoa. You see this? It's different, I gotta say. So let's talk about the price of the Galaxy Fold. It is expensive. At $1,980, it is out of reach for a lot of people. But if you're an early innovator, you're a tech enthusiast, I think that that price is not gonna really matter, because you are gonna be the first to get something that is unlike any other device. I mean, you can buy a Galaxy S10, you can buy an iPhone XS, you can buy any other device, but none of those devices fold like this. And this is really unlike anything I've seen. Whether that's worth $2,000 or nearly $2,000, it's gonna be up to you guys. But so far, gotta say, it's a lot better than I thought.